welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Mitsuko, so thank you so much for watching this video. Today is going to be all about the Sephora sale, so I'm going to be sharing with you everything I picked up, and it's right in this box. In my recommendations video, I said I would focus on things that I need, such as puff, brushes. Also, I wanted to focus on scent and then skincare. I don't know if it's just me, but I find that this year wasn't a great year for makeup, at least comparing it to 2022. Like 2022, I tried so many products. I was so excited about so much, whereas this year, not as much. The only one I can say I was really looking forward to trying was the Groundwork palette from NARS Macao, and I use it every single day. Even used it again today. Anyway, I'm going to start with scents first. Going into the sale, I was planning on buying 100 ml of the Maison Margiela perfume by the fireplace, but when I saw the Black Orchid set from Tom Ford, I knew I had to get it. It smells so good, and I've been wanting to get this perfume for a while, so I'll just show you what it looks like. So in the set, you get a 50 ml and then you also get a 10 ml. Now, the reason why I purchased this set is because the 50 ml on its own is $195. So you basically get this one for free. So I had to get it and I am so happy. I cannot wait to wear it. And again, I love travel size perfume because I can bring more with me while I'm traveling and it just don't take a lot of space. The bottle is so sleek. It is also compact. Now this is an eau de parfum, which is even better because they tend to be stronger, and in my opinion, I think they last longer on me. When you first apply the perfume, it is woody, it is a little bit smoky, and that's what I like about it. And then after a while, you smell the floral scent, which is not too overpowering, it's not too sweet, and I love that. So this perfume, I'm happy I was able to pick it up. So the next one I have, I've been dying to try, and it's from Seven Virtues. Side note, it's actually a Canadian brand. I didn't know that, so go Canada. Now, I picked up their Sentto Vanille perfume oil, and it smells so good. This is the perfume oil. This is in the 20 ml. Now, another good thing about this is I was able to get it while it was on sale, so it's even better. I do have the regular perfume, this one. This is in the 100 ml. I am obsessed with this set, and I wanted to get the perfume oil just so I could layer the two together, or I could layer this with another perfume, because typically perfume oils tend to last longer on me. So I'm excited to try this and see if it's going to make a difference. With the 20 ml, I feel like it will, because you only need a little bit, and I feel like this is going to be perfect. Moving on to body care, I said I was going to buy this one, and I did, just because it's such a good deal, and I also want to try the other products that I haven't. I am obsessed with their body shower. I did purchase another one. I'll talk about that in a moment, but I really wanted to try these two, and I feel like this was a pretty good deal. So in total, you get 100 ml of the body wash, which is perfect. You get also a body lotion, which is 70 ml, and then you get the body serum, which is 50 ml. And I feel like with this, you have enough time to try them and see if you really want them or if you want to commit to the full size. I'm going to enjoy this. This is going with me while I'm traveling. Speaking of necessaire, I did say I picked up the body wash in a full size. Now, this is not the one I ordered. For some reason, when I placed my order at the beginning of the sale, I completely forgot to add this one in my basket, so I purchased it today. It should arrive in a couple days, but I just thought I'd share that I did buy one. It's coming soon. And this is the refillable size of the body wash. You can get it like this, or you can get it in a pump in 500 ml. The regular size is 250 ml. I feel like if you love this, the 500 ml is the way to go, just because you save a little bit. What I would love to do is try the other scent. Sephora doesn't carry all of them, but on the Necessaire website, they have a bunch of different scents. So when it comes to makeup removers, I always go for a balm. Currently, I'm using this one from Glow Recipe, and it smells so good. It is awesome. The one from Clinique is good as well, but for some reason, Sephora doesn't carry this one anymore. So knowing I needed a new one, because this is almost done, that's what I have left, I ended up purchasing another favorite, which is from Pharmacy. This is the Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, and it does a great job at just breaking down the makeup, removing all of it, and then you can go in with a face wash, and then you're good to go. I always double cleanse. that's what you get. So this is what you get when you open it. Now wherever you want, you can use a spatula, but I don't. I just stick my finger in there and then I just go in. So you get a pretty good amount. Okay, and then this one is the fragrance free. Another product from NARS Macao that I love is their deodorant, and I've been using it for months and it's amazing. I was planning on buying another one, but I saw this one from Cosas and I was curious, so I picked it up. It's essentially the same thing. They claim to do the same thing, so I want to see if this is worth it. So this is what I got, and this is their AHA serum deodorant. So this is the packaging, and this is meant to help you with your skin texture, with the darkness, overall just appearance, and then to smooth your skin and to make it look all beautiful. So I'm just going to open it just to see what it smells like. Okay, and then this is also a rollerball. Okay, it smells really fresh. Smells a little bit sweet. Excited to try it. I'll keep you posted, see if it's as good as the NARS Macao, because the one from NARS Macao is amazing. The last skincare product I have is from Topicals, and I've been dying to try it since it came out. I don't know why Sephora Canada didn't have it, but recently they did, and what did I do? I purchased it right away. So this is their brightening and clearing eye mask. This is supposed to help with the darkness for your under eyes and just puffiness in general. So I think this is so cute. It is so cute. You get a total of 6 pairs, so we'll see if this is going to work. I am currently using the under eye cream from Ole & Rixon, and so far it's been good. So I want to see if the two together, you know, will make a difference in my life. So let's just open it. I just want to see what it looks like. So these are the 6 pairs. So all you have to do is just make sure you wash your face, and when you're ready, you open the pack, put it on for 15 minutes, and then if you do this 2 to 3 times a week, it will help with discoloration and puffiness, of course. So that's pretty good. I am excited. The next one I have is from Sephora, and this is their face buff. It is amazing. I use it all the time. I purchased another one just because it is so good. It's so easy to wash actually, and I just love it. It fits perfectly all over my face, and I used it again just to set everything. It is truly amazing, and only $7 plus 30% off. What are you waiting for? It's truly so good. I have the other one right here. They are so good. Just use that all over my face to set it, and it just looks flawless and beautiful. It's amazing. I knew I was going to focus on brushes. Some of my brushes are getting old and I need to change them. And also what I noticed is that Sephora used to have a lot of Makeup Forever brushes, and for some reason Sephora is having a little bit less and less brushes from Makeup Forever. So I decided to just buy a couple before they're all gone. Okay, now I really love this brush. This is the brush number 242. I use it all the time. If you watch any of my tutorials video, this brush is in it. It's so good. It blends and it blends like a dream, and it's just so amazing. It's one of my favorite brushes, and I just knew I had to get it before everything gets sold out. With this brush, I might end up keeping it as a backup, or I might use it at the same time as the other one I have. It's just sometimes I don't feel like using my instant brush cleanser. I just want to go in with another brush and just move on. But if ever I have to, I'll probably just keep the other one and save this one. Okay, I like to use this for anything powder on my lids. So another brush I picked up from Makeup Forever is this blending brush. So this is the brush 130. It's also synthetic, and seriously, it's one of the best powder all over face brush that I use. It's perfect to just set your face completely. Sometimes I use it as a bronzer. It is pretty large, but it does the job. Like, it's so good. And the other one I have, I purchased it years ago, maybe close to a decade. Yeah, close to a decade. These brushes will last a long time, and I take care of my brushes. Now let me show you my obsession with the Makeup Forever brushes. Wait a second. So these are all the brushes I have from Makeup Forever, and this one is probably the most expensive, but to be honest, it is so good. It's worth it. It's worth every penny, and if you can get it at a discount, go for it. You won't regret it. But anyway, see what I mean? They're so good. Now I love this one so much that I knew I had to pick up a set of lashes, just because this is so good. This set has everything. So you have the lashes, you also have the glue, and then you have the tool basically to apply the lashes. And I've been using this. Like, these are the lashes I have left, and to be honest, I've been struggling a little bit just to keep track of where they are, just because I lose them easily. But I will watch out with this one. Okay, I knew I was gonna buy a set of just lashes, but I wanted something that would show. okay? I wanted something that will show, and I feel like this one will do the job. This is the Glam set, I believe. It does come in a natural, a volume, and then this one is like full on glam. So I'm excited to give it a try and see how it goes. And the last one I have is from Charlotte Tilbury. It's a product that I enjoy and I love, and I was missing it, okay? So it was done and I needed a new one, so I purchased this one from Charlotte Tilbury. This is their setting spray. It is so good. I did use it today. What I like about it is that it will set your face. It will give it a natural look. It's not glowy, but it just looks like skin. It looks effortless. I love it so much. I already used it today, okay? That's how much I love it. So this is what the bottle looks like. I think this is the 100 ml. I should have gone for the value size just because it's an obsession, why not? But anyway, I am happy I have it, happy I was able to use it today, and look at this. It's perfect. So that's pretty much everything for the haul. I wanted to focus on things that I really needed and not things that I have too much of, like foundation, bronzer, setting powder, you name it, I have too much of those, and I feel like I did pretty good. Let me know if you picked up some of the same items or what you picked up. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you next time.